What's the meaning of cloche hat? Cloche hat. Cloche hat.
Cloche hat. Cloche hat. A cloche hat is a type of women's headwear that was popular in the 1920s and 1930s. It has a bell-shaped design that fits snugly on the head and typically features a brim that frames the face, with the top of the hat often featuring decorative embellishments such as ribbons or feathers. The name cloche comes from the French word for bell. This style of hat is often associated with the fashion of the flapper era and has since become a classic and iconic accessory.